Let's roll, troll. Sport Mizode. We are at 49 percentile battery, and I am like 190 pounds, but we'll do that one more time here. You can kind of use the brake like a clutch because it does cut throttle, as you see. So you can just choose where you want that to be, dump the brake, and it works like a clutch. However, you don't have throttle lockout on the front, so it actually lets you burn out in stock configuration. A little acceleration pull. Across the street. Well, that was full speed, 60 miles an hour. I think this is an apartment complex or something. Tenants only, that I am not. A little hidden gym back here, a little boat. Oh yeah, the front brake is back in full effect. This is awesome. Oh, what is over here? Oh yeah, this looks fun. But you run into a freaking crazed animal. So I think this is just service road here. This ain't like somebody's property. Oh man, a bunch of stuff back here. Oh, glass and stuff. No sir, no sir. Oh, this is like somebody's dumping pits or something. I'm turning around. Spun out a little bit without trying to. All right. Bunch of stuff that hopefully didn't give me a flat back there. Gotta kick the tires, you know? Now, if this was not closed off, this would be a goddamn playground for me. Oh man, I don't want to damage your equipment or anything. I just want to rip in here. That's a proper master lock though. Good job, boys. Let's get the hell out of here. Oh, that is private property. Dang it. That'd be fun too. Maybe if I knew the owner and they were cool with me riding on their property, that'd be great. Oh, hey, buddy. Man, more fun land that I can't ride. Well, I found exactly what I was looking for, and that is a new neighborhood being built, new subdivision, probably D.R. Horton. This will work out perfectly for our needs. Oh, this is just, from back there it looked like a ramp. I was about to Grand Theft Auto this thing, but what we got to keep an eye out for is construction nails. It might fuck us up pretty bad. This beautiful equipment's blocking the road from regular vehicles. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. These, you got to watch out, the nails and all these suckers. Holy moly. Good thing this has a reverse gear. Look at how soft that is. A lesser bike would be panicking right now. Put her in reverse. Gotta use a little muscle, but yeah, we got it. So we will not be going in there. Man, let that be a lesson for you. If you had a full-size 400-pound dual sport or something and you tried to barrel in there, you would be stuck, my friend. And now my front tire is super heavy because it's got all this glibbity glub on it. Oh yeah, it's starting to work its way off. I didn't think it would sink in that far. That was crazy. Again, if I was on like a gas dual sport that was heavy, that would have messed me up something fierce. So this is what it's like before they pave. Goodness. Watch this. Yes, sir. I gotta go knock this stuff off my tire and my shoe. I thought that was fire red, but it's private property. All the good roads out here are private property. We're starting to get comfortable with that, where you pin the throttle and the back end gets loose on you. Did a little full throttle launch over here from a dig. Okay, yeah. Good thing this is the abandoned part of the place that nobody gives a shit about. Try it again, yeah. Hard launch.